Welcome to DexFXMarkets.com. My name is Paul, and I quickly want to run through what Dex has open and what Dex has had to close for the next 6 months. Due to demand being very high, we've had to close the doors for the Dex exclusive network. We have filled the seats, if you like, and unfortunately the doors will be shut for probably about 6 months until some people will start moving on. Okay, what we still have though is the Greenroom. Now the Greenroom, I'll show you the pricing in a minute, is an absolutely superb room. Let's pop over to the pricing. And very basically, the Greenroom, for $47 a month, we give you the Dex Atomic. If you don't know what the Dex Atomic is, this is the Dex Atomic. Absolutely superb charts. Everything you need, full training is given, you can see here, and people are absolutely smashing it with this, absolutely killing it. It is absolutely superb. I can't stress that enough. This is what you'll give you for the $47 per month, and trust me, if you can't make money with this, there's no hope for you really whatsoever. However, I digress. Moving back, if you go to the Dex Affinity, which is our Greenroom deal, that's $157 a month, and with that, not only will you receive all the Nadex signals, and I'll pop over here quickly and show you. These are our TNT signals. These are all for Nadex. For those that like to utilize signals, we also have the Xedan bot. I've cooked it up here. And this is the bot working at the moment. As you can see, I'm in demo, and the reason I'm in demo is because I'm trying a new strategy with it. But as you can see, it's all working very well so far. Okay, we have a complete video series. That's all our videos on training. We have the full Dex Atomic, which I've just shown you. We have the full Dex TNT, and the full Dex TNT, if I go here, bring it down here. And that's the daily signals, the 1 hour signals, 2 hour signals, SR Max, and the 5 minutes. Not only that, we have the Atomic. The Dex Atomic is absolutely superb. That's full trading view Dex Atomic. And what this is, we give you the indicators to go on to trading view. Some people prefer trading view, and so we've given you indicators that will slot straight onto it. Unfortunately, I don't have mine open at the moment, but however, if you pop inside DexFXMarkets.com, you'll be able to see it in action. Okay, we also give you personal consults, and of course, step-by-step training. All that for $157 a month. Absolutely superb. So the choice is yours. 47 for the Dex Atomic, which is our best system ever. And you can see what we have here, or the $157 a month, which gives you absolutely everything we have. Apart from that, once you join the Greenroom and you get into the Greenroom, no matter if it's the Infinity or just the plain Dex Atomic, that puts you in line to get into the Dex exclusive network when we reopen the doors in probably about 6 months' time. So the choice is yours. Well, this is Paul signing off for now. If you have any questions or queries, just pop to DexFX Markets, click on the little button here, and there's someone there that will be able to help you. And don't forget, all training is available. Right, that's Paul signing off for now. Speak to you all later, and hopefully we'll see you on the inside.